Pepperl+Fuchs supports the Manufacturing X initiative in the field of localization. Using the omlox standard, we are realizing a networked world of industrial localization. As an open standard, omlox enables the merging of location data from different technologies such as ultra-wideband, Wi-Fi, GPS, 5G, RFID, and Bluetooth. A middleware, the omlox hub combines the location data from the different technologies and makes it available to other applications and analysis tools. For example, with RFID write and read devices from Pepperl+Fuchs, goods can be identified and directly located during transport. This makes it possible to react to any transport delays by adjusting downstream processes. Linking these technologies creates a flow of information that extends beyond the factory and ensures seamless tracking of the value chain.